Welcome to Maths Board. Now, in this video, we will learn mass versus weight. Before this, we have already covered the acceleration due to gravity. Now, in this chapter, we will complete the definition of mass and weight, SI unit of mass and weight, difference between mass and weight. So, everybody know about the mass. Mass is total amount of matter which any object contains in it. Each object contains some matter. So that's measurement of matter is called mass. At any place you can measure the mass and it is measured in kilogram, kg. Okay, now come to the point of weight. So before this, acceleration due to gravity, we know about that each planet, like as Earth, on each object, Earth attract each object towards its center and it apply a force, gravitational force on that object to pull it towards its center. So this gravitational force is due to the gravity, due to its gravity. And like as if we talk about the moon, so moon does this same thing. If any object is on moon, then moon is also applied a gravitational force to pull it towards its center due to its gravity. So you know about the earth has the different gravity and the moon has the different gravity because there has the weight of earth and weight of moon is different and their gravity is different. So if we talk about weight, any object which has mass is on earth and that is on the moon, can we say the weight will be the same on these both planets? No, because on this m mass of any object, earth is applying a force on this object to pull it towards its center due to its gravity. So this force is including with this object. This force is including with this object. So weight will be the equal to this gravitational force which is applied on this object by the earth. So we can say the definition of weight is weight of any object is equal to the gravitational force which applied on the object by the earth or any other planet, any other place due to its gravity. Which force is applying on the weight on the object, it is called its weight. So we can say the formula for weight, it is equal to the force. So force is here, mass into acceleration. Now acceleration is here, acceleration due to gravity. So this force is equal to the weight now. So we will replace this force will be the W. So it is mass into acceleration due to gravity. So this is the formula for weight, to count the weight. If any object has mass, then its weight will be the multiplied by its gravity, then we will count the weight. Now what is the unit? Unit of mass. Mass is measured in kilogram. So it is unit of mass is kg. Now measure the unit of weight. So mass has the kg and gravity is the acceleration. So acceleration has the unit meter per second square and it is equal to the Newton, and this Newton is SI unit of force. So what is the SI unit of force? Is Newton and it is equal to the weight also. So the weight SI unit is equal to the force. So SI unit of weight is Newton. Now Come to the third point, difference between mass and weight. So we will write here mass and here weight. Now first point, mass is a scalar quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude. It has only magnitude, not direction. So it is a scalar quantity. Weight is the vector quantity. Vector quantity, both. It has magnitude and direction. So it is the vector quantity, right? Now second point, SI unit. SI unit of mass is kg. Here SI unit of mass is Newton. Now third point, it is the same. Mass will be the same at any place. At any place. But weight is different. Weight is different at each places. Each place due to its gravity. This means weight is depend on gravity of the place, right? So these 3 points, mass is scalar quantity, weight is vector quantity. The second point, SI unit of mass is kg and weight has the Newton. SI unit of weight is Newton and mass is the same at any place, like is on earth, moon and space. So what about space? Space has no gravity. No gravity in space. No gravity. So what about the mass and weight? We can say if any object has 10 kg mass, 10 kg mass, then in space, mass will be the same 10 kg, but weight will be the 10 kg multiplied by gravity. Gravity is here 0. So weight will be the 0 in space. Now, one more point. If you want to calculate the weight on Earth and on Moon. So the weight on Moon is 1/6 of weight on Earth of that object. So this is the relation between to count the weight of Moon and weight on Earth. If you know about the weight on Earth, then it will be the 1/6 of it on the Moon. So this is the relation for Moon and Earth weight. You can do the calculation with this. And if you have to find the weight, you have to use the formula weight is equal to mass multiplied by the gravity. And what factor which on which the weight is depend? So it is gravity. If there is no gravity, then weight will be the 0, but mass will be the same. What is its any object contains in it. So this is the explanation for mass and weight.